welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make cranberry orange muffins to get you into the holiday spirit. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our chef's coats and let's get baking.
To make the cranberry orange muffins, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of granulated sugar, the zest of 1 lemon, half a cup of vegetable oil, half a cup of milk, 2 eggs, a quarter cup of orange juice, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1.5 cups of fresh cranberries. To get started, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and line your muffin tin. In a large bowl, sift or whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Then place it off to the side. In another bowl, mix the orange zest with the sugar to help enhance the citrus flavors. Pour the sugar into your electric mixer, then whisk in the vegetable oil, milk, eggs, orange juice, and vanilla until well combined. Add in your dry ingredients and mix just until there are no more streaks of flour. Fold in the cranberries, then scoop the batter into the muffin liners. Sprinkle the top with more sugar if you like. I added some cinnamon to mine. Bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the tops are golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool for a few minutes, then remove them from the pan. Now enjoy a December morning with some homemade cranberry orange muffins.
And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also share the video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had so much fun making these cranberry orange muffins and I hope you did as well. These are some delicious muffins that are sure to make your December mornings merrier. If you recreate these muffins or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone's staying safe and well. Enjoy your cranberry orange muffins and happy holidays. Bye!